Okay, so this is the personality quiz. We're gonna go over it by first starting off by running the application. And while that loads in the background, we're gonna go over some of the code. Starting off with the main. This is basically our foundation on how the application will look like, where we set up our buttons and whatnot. Starting off with the start page, and then we navigate towards our questions. And after all our questions are done, it leads us to the result page. Now going into the question view controller, this is basically where we append our answers to some of our questions. We have a lot of our buttons set up over here. And for example, we have different types of questions. Where one is a single type question, we have a multiple type question, and a ranged type question. For example, the single one would only take one answer. The multiple one takes as many answers as you want. And then the ranged one is going to be a slider for the answer. That being said, going into the results view, this is where we calculate what our result is. Also, in the question data, we have a switch case where if we are a dog, it's going to return the following. If we're a cat, it's going to return this, and so forth. Now that being said, we're going to open the application up, starting it off by clicking the start quiz. And which food do you like the most? We're going to pick steak. What activities do we like? We like swimming and cuddling. We're going to submit the answer. And do we enjoy car rides? We don't. And now we're going to submit one more time. Therefore, we are a cat. And this is why we're a cat. What it means to be a cat, I guess. And that concludes our personality quiz.